Hi, friend. I'm Jake. Today we will learn 100 simple sentences people use every day. Are you ready? Let's start.
Emma broke a vase.
Emma broke a vase.
He's my uncle.
He's my uncle.
I'm a teacher.
I'm a teacher.
I like my teacher, Miss Ellie.
I like my teacher, Ms. Ellie.
I love my mom the most.
I love my mom the most.
I met a nice neighbor.
I met a nice neighbor.
I think Kevin will win.
I think Kevin will win.
I want ice cream.
I want ice cream.
My aunt made a cake.
My aunt made a cake.
Ben is my best friend.
Ben is my best friend.
My big brother is strong.
My big brother is strong.
My coach showed me the plan.
My coach showed me the plan.
My grandma is very beautiful.
My grandma is very beautiful.
My sister is talking on the phone.
My sister is talking on the phone.
She's my doctor.
She's my doctor.
Tigers run fast.
Tigers run fast.
Exams are in June.
Exams are in June.
World War II ended in 1945.
World War II ended in 1945.
Help! He stole my bag.
Help! He stole my bag.
Thief! Stop him! Call the police!
Thief! Stop him! Call the police!
Time to get up.
Time to get up.
Did you stay up late last night?
Did you stay up late last night?
He had a bad dream.
He had a bad dream.
He's still sleepy.
He's still sleepy.
I'm a morning person.
I'm a morning person.
I'm a night person.
I'm a night person.
I get up at 7.
I get up at 7.
I go to bed at 10.
I go to bed at 10.
I'm going to school.
I'm going to school.
Your shirt is inside out.
Your shirt is inside out.
It's 7:10 already.
It's 7:10 already.
We need to hurry.
We need to hurry.
I'm home.
I'm home.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
Home feels good.
Home feels good.
Dinner's ready.
Dinner's ready.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Don't spill your juice.
Don't spill your juice.
I'll wash the dishes.
I'll wash the dishes.
I'll dry the dishes.
I'll dry the dishes.
I'm watching TV.
I'm watching TV.
She works hard in school.
She works hard in school.
Sweet dreams, sweetie.
Sweet dreams, sweetie.
I want to take a nap.
I want to take a nap.
You're pretending to sleep.
You're pretending to sleep.
Do you need to go pee?
Do you need to go pee?
The water is leaking.
The water is leaking.
It's so dusty.
It's so dusty.
I water the plants.
I water the plants.
Help me.
Help me.
Clean up your room.
Clean up your room.
Let's go grocery shopping.
Let's go grocery shopping.
This is for you.
This is for you.
I work out after work.
I work out after work.
I quit smoking.
I quit smoking.
It's due on the 30th.
It's due on the 30th.
I'm out of cash.
I'm out of cash.
I'm rich now.
I'm rich now.
What a waste.
What a waste.
I'm free today.
I'm free today.
I'm busy tomorrow.
I'm busy tomorrow.
I had a rough day.
I had a rough day.
I burned all the cookies.
I burned all the cookies.
Let's get going.
Let's get going.
The movie was boring.
The movie was boring.
The movie was touching.
The movie was touching.
The movie was so funny.
The movie was so funny.
The movie was gripping.
The movie was gripping.
The phone is sold out.
The phone is sold out.
There are 3 of us.
There are 3 of us.
There are 3 pencils in the cup.
There are 3 pencils in the cup.
Do you want a drink?
Do you want a drink?
Can I have a refill, please?
Can I have a refill, please?
He is drunk.
He is drunk.
Do you need a doctor?
Do you need a doctor?
Please call an ambulance.
Please call an ambulance.
Let me check your temperature.
Let me check your temperature.
Let me check your blood pressure.
Let me check your blood pressure.
My stomach is upset.
My stomach is upset.
I feel dizzy.
I feel dizzy.
I feel chilly.
I feel chilly.
I have a fever.
I have a fever.
I feel like throwing up.
I feel like throwing up.
I must stay in bed.
I must stay in bed.
My fever is lower now.
My fever is lower now.
I feel better.
I feel better.
I have a cut on my hand.
I have a cut on my hand.
It hurts.
It hurts.
Don't go away.
Don't go away.
I'm pregnant.
I'm pregnant.
She's good at singing.
She's good at singing.
Your glasses are on your head.
Your glasses are on your head.
The post office is down the street.
The post office is down the street.
I am from Canada.
I am from Canada.
I bought the dress at the mall.
I bought the dress at the mall.
The Eiffel Tower is in Paris, France.
The Eiffel Tower is in Paris, France.
Armstrong was the first person to land on the moon.
Armstrong was the first person to land on the moon.
Bell invented the telephone.
Bell invented the telephone.
I want to be a doctor.
I want to be a doctor.
My favorite food is spaghetti.
My favorite food is spaghetti.
I am in 6th grade.
I am in 6th grade.
I read for fun.
I read for fun.
Their anniversary is in June.
Their anniversary is in June.
My birthday is on January 1st.
My birthday is on January 1st.
Spring is the best time to plant roses.
Spring is the best time to plant roses.
I have to work overtime tomorrow.
I have to work overtime tomorrow.
We're having a picnic tomorrow.
We're having a picnic tomorrow.
Great job, everyone. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy English videos. See you next time. Bye.